everyone, welcome to Recipes. Today let's make delicious papaya masala curry. Let's begin by roasting our masala. For that, pour 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and add a tablespoon of cumin seeds. Now add 4 tablespoons of coriander seeds and roast it on low flame for a minute. After a minute, add 10 dried red chili. Roast it on low flame for 2 minutes. Now add 1 cup grated coconut. Add few curry leaves and roast until coconut turns golden brown. After roasting the masala, let it cool down. Combine half of the roasted masala with little water. To a pressure cooker, pour 2 tablespoons of oil. Salt 1 large onion, 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger and 2 garlic slits. Add a teaspoon of salt. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add a chopped tomato. Add 2 chopped raw papaya. Combine all together. I am also adding few raw papaya seeds. Pour half cup water. Pressure cook it until a whistle. Now our papaya is well cooked. Add a masala paste. Cover our curry and let it boil for 2 minutes. For tempering, pour 2 tablespoons of oil and add a teaspoon of mustard seeds. When it starts to splutter, add 2 dried red chili and few curry leaves. Add a teaspoon of red chili powder. Roast it on low flame for few seconds. Add a finely chopped onion. Roast it for few more seconds and turn off the stove. Now our masala papaya curry is ready. Smash some papaya. Now let's serve our papaya curry. Hope you will enjoy this delicious and flavorful papaya curry. If you like the recipe, then don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and subscribe.